Do you want to make professional YouTube thumbnails without Photoshop? In this video, I'll show you how to create click-worthy, high-quality thumbnails in just a few clicks using AI, and the best part? It's 100% free. Step 1. Why thumbnails matter. Before we start, let's talk about why thumbnails are so important. 90% of top-performing videos have eye-catching thumbnails. They help grab attention, increase views, and boost engagement on YouTube. Step 2. AI thumbnail creation with Ideogram AI. Now, let's create our thumbnail using Ideogram AI, a free AI tool for designing thumbnails with realistic text and stunning visuals. Here's how. Go to Ideogram AI and sign up for a free account. Enter this thumbnail prompt. I'll share it in a moment. Click Generate and let AI create a high-quality thumbnail in seconds. Step 3. Refining your thumbnail with Canva AI. Now that we have our AI-generated thumbnail, let's make it even better using Canva AI. We can adjust brightness contrast for a professional look, add custom text effects, bold headlines, resize crop for perfect YouTube thumbnail dimensions, 1280 by 720 px. Step 4. Adding your own picture to the AI thumbnail with free AI face swap. What if you want to add your own face to the AI-generated thumbnail? Instead of manually editing, we can use a free AI face swap tool to do it in just one click. Here's how. Go to Face Swap AI. Upload your AI-generated thumbnail from Ideogram. Upload a clear picture of your face. Make sure it's well lit and front-facing. Click Swap Face, and in seconds, AI will seamlessly add your face to the thumbnail. Now, your thumbnail looks even more personal and professional. That's it. Party Popper, your AI-generated thumbnail is ready for upload, and there you have it. A professional YouTube thumbnail made with AI, for free. Now, go ahead and try these tools to boost your YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered design tricks.